video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable your PS5 to work with a 4K 60s Plus. There's a few settings that you're going to have to disable before you can get your 4K 60s Plus to work with your PS5. If you don't disable these settings, you're going to see a on your 4K 60s Plus, like the one that you're seeing on screen right now. And you're seeing that light because HDCP hasn't been turned off, and you also might be running 120 Hertz where the 4K 60s only does 60 Hertz, as the name would suggest. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in the settings tab, which is the cog on the top right here. We're going to select settings. We're going to go down to screen and video. The first option you have to check is the enable 120 Hertz output. Ideally, you want to keep this at off. It's set at automatic right now, and it is working on my 4K 60s Plus, but sometimes this could create problems. So I would turn that off. And the most important option, the option that most people are going to be having issues with, is going to be in system, and then you go down to HDMI side, and there's an option here that says enable HDCP. This one, as you can see, has been turned off. As you can see, the off switch is on the left side. If it was on the right side, like it is with these options here, this would mean that this is on. If I turn this on, this recording on the 4K 60s would stop completely, because as soon as you turn this HDCP setting on, your 4K 60s is going to blink this light that you're seeing on the screen right now, and you're not going to see anything on screen, and the 4K 60s Plus isn't going to record. So again, this option right here for enable HDCP needs to be off, and it should be in this position as you're seeing on the screen right now. Once you have these options off, you restart your PS5, restart your 4K 60s, and it should be back online. You should be ready to record and ready to stream your game. Another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and check out my vlog channel in which I travel the world and I record my adventures. Link for that is in the description box. And this video was sponsored by the Fast Tech Pro Auto Kit, which is a toolkit that you can use to disassemble all your electronics, including your PS5, your PS4, your Xbox, and your Apple products as well. This is Shiroz from Fast Tech signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.